Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review lip balms. I have never done that. I've never swatched lip balms. So today I'm going to review and swatch lip balms. It has been the best lip swatch I have ever done. So today we are going to talk about the TS Cosmetics lip butters. It's very humble of them that they have sent me this PR for me to try it out for 30 days. And what I like about this brand is when they approach me, obviously, let's be real guys, a brand approaches you, they want to review your product because you are in a public platform and they think that people will listen to you. So when they say it, this is my own personal thing that whenever a brand approaches me, I always tell them that if you guys want me to make a video on it, then I will be brutally honest. And this is the first brand who has said that we would love it because be it negative or be it positive, we want to know how our products actually are. So I thought that is a very good thing, and that actually shows how much confidence this brand has on its own product. So I was really happy to see their reaction on this. And then finally I had it. I have used it and abused the products almost. So they have sent me 5 different variants, so I will swatch all of them and talk about all of them individually. So if you want to keep on watching, then please do, and also subscribe to my channel. Do not forget that, that's very important. And also click on the notification bell so that you're always notified. So first they have sent in this card which says that TS Cosmetics Lip Butter 30-day lip challenge that I've mentioned on my Instagram too. You should follow me there. So it says that you have to use this for 30 days, and after 30 days you won't have any more chapped lips, your pigmentation will reduce. And guys, I don't really need to try it for 30 days to say that it does it or not. So this butter is an ancient healer for your lip treatment. We have picked up 11 most powerful ingredients that will solve all your lip problems in 30 days. Apply thrice in a day for a better result. Rich formula can heal your cracked lips in a week. Oh god, I really acknowledge this fact that this does heal your lips in a week. Basically what happens is with my lips, I get cracked lips, but then I cannot really remove them or peel them because the blood will come out and all that crazy stuff. But when I kept on applying this, there are 2 types of lip balms guys. That the first one is when you apply them, it feels amazing, but it does not really penetrate the skin and hydrates your lips from within. And there is another one, that is this one, which actually does that. Honestly, I am in love with this lip balms. And have you guys ever tried the homemade wax kind of lip balms or body butters that our grandparents used to make? Maybe I have experienced that. So when I received it, I was really shocked to see that it is the exact same formula. So I cannot really remember how it is made, but I know that in my house, I think I have seen this, or I have felt this product, how it feels. So I'm really excited to talk to you guys about all the variants and all the products that are in here. So first of all, let me talk about the outer packaging. So this is how the boxes look. They're really tiny and cute. They have this lip prints on, like very, I think it is really nice that they have kept it minimal. It's not jazzed up and it's really nice. And also it says TS Cosmetic Lip Butter 100% organic. And when you open it, this is the tub, and this is black and gold classic. You cannot make mistake with a black and gold packaging. So this is the first variant. So this is the first variant. You can see how I've abused this product almost. Like this is the one I've been trying it. I've been trying the most. I use like 3 different lip balms thrice a day. So this is a chocolate and macadamia nut variant, and this is very buttery, very soft. So every lip balm has a different formula that I've noticed. So this is the most buttery one, I think, because of the macadamia nut and all the stuff. So here you can see it's like it melts into the skin very easily. So yeah, the next variant is this one. It is the mixed fruit. Amazing shade. And also the best thing is they really have kept it in a like 2 deep shades, that is this one and the macadamia one, and they actually show the color payoff. And then there are 3 that are really light and sheer. I think everyone has something from this range that they will love. So yeah, this is the mixed fruit one, and I have also used this one, as you guys can see, and blends into the skin really nicely. I love how they smell. This one smells like mixed fruit jam, which is my favorite. I love mixed fruit jam. So the next fragrance is, this is so fresh. This is rose and lemon. The color is very natural. It's not overpowering. You can tell that this is a natural product. I have tried this, but I have kept it aside so that I can use it later. So the last 2 will be minty orange and vanilla. So this one is minty orange, and as you can see, I've tried it because it is mint and it's orange. This has a very pretty light summery fresh color, and anything mint I love. I love mint chocolate, I love mint ice cream, and oh my god, mint lip balms, of course. So I love mint so much that last night I called for a salad, and for the dressing I chose mint mayonnaise, and it was amazing. So I love the fragrance of it. It is very minty, very fresh. Also, I think this will help your lips plump up a little bit because obviously it has mint. And the last and the most used one is this vanilla, and this is vanilla coconut, and the reason why this is most used is it is colorless, so I use it at night when I go to sleep. Again, this does not have any particular smell, and guys, I can tell you this range, they all come for around, I think, 249 rupees. They are so good. They are value for money, and just buy one pot. You don't need to buy 2-3 variants. Just try and buy one pot, and I guarantee you will feel like buying all of them. I like this better than the Laneige lip mask. I know it's a big claim, but I really like this better than that, because what I feel is that is again another lip balm that will sit on your lips very nicely, will feel very good, you will feel hydrated, but as soon as you wipe it off, it's gone. There is no moisture, your lips aren't moisturized. But these guys, these are different. This will moisturize your lip. Even when you remove it, you will not feel chapped, cracked or uncomfortable. So that was it for the review part, guys. I love these products. I love them. They are so good, and a brand like them coming out with such products is so nice, and I would really like if you guys support this brand because I think they are really good. So now we'll just jump into the swatches. So I'll just read through all the ingredients that they have, which I totally forgot to do. So they have shea butter, coconut butter, mango butter, apricot butter, avocado butter, rosehip oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, vitamin E, and 100% paraben free. So all of them have the same thing, just the flavoring is different. So you know that every product is going to be same, but a little bit different because of their flavorings, as we have in other lip balms. So that was it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to review any other product, all you have to do is let me know. And thank you for watching.